Hello friends, Praveen is Bandari, business branding specialist. Today in front of you with one simple concept which is called closing the loop. You must have heard a lot of self-help videos, must have read a lot of self-help books on productivity. Productivity is something as an entrepreneur, as an employee, anybody who you are, you always want to increase your productivity. You must have read a lot of things how to do that. But so far, even I do that. Even I do. I read a lot of self-help books. All the books or the videos that I have seen, I realize there is one thing which is missing across all of them. I'm saying whichever I saw so far and whichever I read so far. That's closing the loop. What is this closing the loop? To understand closing the loop, let me give an example from the movie Bahubali. Everyone must have watched that movie. If not, I suggest and recommend watch that movie. Beautifully done. What happens at the end of that particular movie? Let's come to the end. The Katappa kills Bahubali. This is what happens. And suddenly, audience don't know why it so happened. Why he killed him. We don't know. So somewhere when the movie ends, we don't feel like getting up from our chairs and moving out because we think there must be something more to it. Unfortunately, there is nothing up after that. So movie ends there. It says, watch the next part. Close this loop. Yes, you heard me right. So close this loop. Watch the next movie. So what exactly our director is doing here? He's opening the loop for you and leaving you out there, so that your mind is subconsciously continuously thinking why Katappa killed Bahubali. If you remember from part 1 to part 2, during this period, the social media was flooded with the possible answers why Katappa must have killed Bahubali. Everybody was trying to help others to close their loop, to find out why Katappa must have killed Bahubali. Everybody having their own reasons, everybody coming up with a lot of interesting stuff. This must be the reason, that must be the reason, this is why it happened, this finally we found why he killed him. All these titles you must have read and watched. Now what happened was that loop was open in your mind. The director made sure you come back and watch the second part. Because when you come for the second part, that's when your mind will get the satisfaction of closing that. I hope this story is very clear to you. Now, how this works in our day-to-day life? If you are anybody who starts your day with certain tasks, this day. Okay, so as I said, you must have read a lot of self-help books. Suppose you are starting the day with certain tasks that you need to complete for that day. So you make a list of them. These are the 4 or 5 things that I need to finish by the end of the day. Most of the time, if you're able to complete all the tasks, you're the best. I give all the credits to you. But if you are suppose not able to finish everything, what happens? What happens exactly? You go back and start spending. Suppose you close your day by 7:30, and after that you say, "Abhi bas, aaj ke liye enough. Now I don't want to. Now I have to spend time with family." But the problem is you won't be able to give your 100% of quality time to your family because there were certain things in your list which you are not able to finish. But subconsciously your mind is trying to close that. Every time when you are spending time with your kid or wife or mother or family or friends, anybody, it just happens that your mind is not completely focused in that present moment. Because somewhere behind the mind you are asking yourself, your mind is asking yourself, कैसे करूँ? How to finish this? कब चालू करेगा? कब खत्म करेगा? So it's very, very, very important for you to go back to your lesson today and see to it that you close everything. How to do that? First, work 1, yes, I have completed that. 2, I have completed. 3, oh, this is so much is remaining. So far, I have completed this much is remaining. I'll do this tomorrow at so and so time. And this is how I'll be finishing it. Okay, next one, completed. Next one, oh, this is something which again 20% is remaining. I think I have done a lot of it. I'll finish this tomorrow, first thing. So now you have went back to the list. You closed all the open doors. Now you're free to focus on anything else that you wish to do. This is how the closed loop works. This may be at any point of your day-to-day life or your personal life, or professional life, anywhere. It could be helpful in relationships. It could be helpful in any communication that you open. See, good speakers, they use this as a tool to hook you in. People, when they talk from stage or from places, what they do is they actually open a loop in the beginning and they make sure that you stick to them till the end, so that they will be able to close the loop at the end, and till the time everything that is said or told to you will be consuming completely, because you are continuously searching to close that loop. A lot of them do that. So that's what I'm saying. This closing the loop concept is very helpful when it comes to closing or building relationships, because you need to close everything that you have closed for that day or that moment. Then only you'll be open to do next things. Your family, your work, anything. Simple thing like WhatsApp. If somebody is asking something and you are not able to deliver that in that particular moment, at least close the loop by saying, I'll be doing this by so and so time, I'll be finishing this by so and so time. If there is a mail, just attend that mail and say, this is the situation, I'll be closing or I'll be completing this by this time. If you cannot deliver what they're asking, at least reply by this saying, this is how I'm going to do it. This will close the loop from your end. You will be more able to focus, or you will be better in position to focus on your present situation and the work that you're doing. I hope this video would have helped you to understand how open and closed loop works, and I want you to make sure you use this in your day-to-day life. Please do that. This will be awesome. You will be blown with the way mind works, and mind gets satisfied when it closes the loop. I'll be developing a lot of videos on my channel, so please subscribe and be in touch. Till the time, signing off, Praveen Bhandari, the Business Mapping